Hello again, it's old Jim, and today we're doing Chicken Chasseur. It's a straightforward recipe, so here we go. You start by coating the raw chicken with flour, just plain flour. In we go. And then you get your hands to work and give it a good shake up there, because we want them coated with this plain flour. That's all it is. There we are. How's that? Right, here we go then. So 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And 2 ounces of butter. There we are. Right, the oil and butter are warm enough now. You can hear them sizzling away there. So in goes the chicken. In we go. So we'll leave the chicken pieces frying away as they are. No stirring. Just leave them there. And in around about 5 minutes, we'll turn them over and do the other side. And as I say, want them a lovely golden brown. Right, the chicken's had its 5 minutes, so I'm going to turn them. Because obviously we want both sides doing, he said. So there we are, they look pretty good, do they? There we are, so just give these, probably same again, 5 minutes. 4 or 5, they won't need as much, because the fat's really got going. There we are, looks pretty good already. Right, so both sides are nicely brown now, so I'm going to take the bite-sized chicken out. There we are, so that's the chicken nicely browned on both sides. I think that looks quite nice. Right, we're now going to do the vegetables, which is 1 onion, 3 carrots and 6 ounces of mushrooms. So it's in the same oil butter mixture that we did the chicken in. So here we go. There's your onions. There's the carrots. And we'll just do this for 2 minutes. Right, that's the veg cooked for 2 minutes or thereabouts. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of plain flour, just to get things stiffening up a bit. There we are, there's your 2 tablespoons of flour. And we do the flour, we stir the flour in until the flour goes brown. So it doesn't take long for the flour to brown, matter of a minute or so. You know, you can see it going brown already. Right, that's your pint of chicken stock gone in. Give things a good stir. And it's thickening up already. So we now bring this to the boil. There we are. Right, so we now add a tablespoon of tomato puree, which gives it a nice colour. There we are. It's not critical, you know, it's not critical. You can give it more if you wish. So now I'm going to stir that in to the mixture that's already stiffening up nicely. But it gives it a bit of colour, pleasant bit of colour does this puree. And now it's come to the boil. We add 2 bay leaves, again to enhance the flavour. Again, stir it round. And finally, we add the chicken pieces that have been nicely browned. Okay, in we go. So now I'll stir it round so the meat pieces are spread fairly well. There we are, that's spread them out nicely. And we're bubbling still. So now I turn the heat down and we're ready to put all this into the casserole and into the oven, where we cook it for about an hour and a quarter at 180 degrees centigrade. About perfect. So into the oven for an hour and a quarter. It's a preheated oven, so do be careful. There we are, folks. Steaming hot and bubbling away. Looks pretty good, does that? Pretty good indeed. Still steaming hot. There we are, look at that. Who could want more? Right, so here we are. The proof of the pudding is in the eating.